What is good, guys? Today we're going to be working on the TSXy, as you can see. More specifically, the LED Nike switch, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to be soldering, oh no, I'm not going to be soldering, I'm going to be splicing it to my parking light. So I picked up this terminal kit. I'm not going to be using any of these, well, except for the heat shrink. But the main reason why I got this was for this right here. So I can trim some of the sleeving right here off to expose more of the wire. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. So we have the positive wire right here and the ground wire, which will be hooked up to the parking light, which is this right here. And how you can access that is by reaching your hand in there, and you can actually like reach the bulb. If I turn the wheel more, which I will do in a little bit. Pro tip, guys, please do not take off your fender liner if you can. Try to trim it or whatever, or your engine's gonna be dirty as hell. Luckily, my engine hasn't got any mud in it or up here. Okay, while we're letting the car cool down, I'm probably just gonna check my air filter because I haven't been running no fender liner right here since for like 3 months, and I'm kind of concerned about if this is gonna be dirty or not. So let me just open it up with some movie magic. Check it out, guys. Now that it's out right now, let's see how it looks. And it's not that bad to where I need to get it changed. I have like this mosquito eater on there, some leaves. But let's see how many bugs are inside of the actual filter. And it's pretty clean in there, surprisingly. No need to get a vacuum in there. So that's a success. I did not need to buy a new filter, and I did not know when's the last time this has been changed. I'm probably gonna stick a new one in on my baby's birthday, but it's not gonna be any type of regular filter. It might be a cold air intake, or it might be a short ram intake. Let me know in the description, guys, what I should get started. So we're gonna go in here and grab my flashlight, and we're gonna grab the parking light, which is right here. Just twist it like so to the left, and there's your parking light. I'm gonna undo all the tape and shit that's on there and take it out of this tube right here. Grab this wire right here. I need to undo this and run it through there so you can touch those together. Fall away until it's gone. This is a pretty good size right here. Now I'm gonna go poke a hole in the middle. I'm gonna put a hole through here and try not to break any of the wires. And I think this is a pretty good shape right here, or size. So now I'm gonna take this green wire up here and take a good amount off and stick it through the hole and wrap it around. Okay, that's a good size right there. And then you're just gonna stick it through right here. Just wrap the axis around. I'm sorry if you can't see anything. Go like this, and then we're gonna do the same for our ground right here. Take this black wire right here and splice it in there. Okay, I got this undone. Yeah, I have some hairs flying out, but that's fine. Most of it's still intact. So I'm gonna grab this hole puncher right here, and I'm gonna try my best not to break any of these and get right in the center here. Okay, here's our opening, and now I'm gonna take the ground, which is back here, and again do the same as the power and wrap it around. So I just put the hole, I splice this open, or yeah, I cut this thing open, put the copper through it. That might have been too much, but hey, it'll get the job done. I'm gonna put some electric tape over it, same for here and here, and we're gonna stick it in, and fingers crossed it works. I hope it does. See you guys then. I just walk away. Walk away. Tell me what I. Holy shit. Yo, this shit is dope, bro. Oh my god, I'm happy with this. This is amazing, guys. Okay, now let's just run it with the parking lights. By the way, I did replace the bulbs, which I will probably be taking out because I don't think I want the parking light with this. But let's check it out, guys. Yo, that's freaking dope. Wow. You know, I really thought this wouldn't work out, so if I could do it, you guys could do it. Now let's get started on the other side. I'm gonna do a better job than I did on this side with the wiring. It's really messed up right here, and yeah. I'm gonna record a time lapse so you guys can get a second look at it, but it'll be sped up.
Try and talk to you, but it's tense. Don't go. All I was a skirt, not the fame in my okay. I've guaranteed my escape to dwell on my own mistakes. It feels like it's all too late. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long, try and talk to you, but it's tense. Don't go. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long, try and talk to you, but it's tense. Don't go.
Okay, now that I've cleaned the garage as much as I can, I'm gonna give you guys a run through of what I did. Alright, well, I'm gonna show you the bad side that I did because this wheel is turned this way. So pretty much, pro tip, do not run it underneath here. Try to run it from up here because it's closest to this. You wanna be sure you wrap up those connectors really good so water doesn't get inside of it. And yeah, just poke a hole through it, run the wire, wrap it around, then grab some of your electric tape, wrap it real good so water doesn't get on there, and plug it back up. I did take out the bulbs from here, so it would only be this light on because I plan on running these lights in the daytime so I could look like Alexis, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.